Okay, here we are. We're outside the RV. I'm gonna shut the door and I'm gonna lock it. So, bolt lock is plain. You gotta push on the door. Purple is the regular doorknob. Locked. We're all locked. Okay. Unlock. Unlock. Lock. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's locking and unlocking. Okay, this is your propane. It's full. You shouldn't need to refill it, but if you do, this is the side. Your propane is on the passenger side. Your outdoor plugs are on the passenger side, and your storage. So we're gonna unlock the storage. Wow, the struggle is real. Okay, then you turn these and you turn these, and then you have this nifty knob right here. You can open it up and use that knob to hold it. See? Okay, and then storage. Down here in storage, you have your outdoor rug. You have more RV toilet paper because that's all you're gonna put in the toilet is RV toilet paper. Everything else goes in the trash. So you have your hose for water if you go to an RV park. That's already in there. That should go to the recycling. And you have a water filter. This is to, if the water is really too strong at an RV park, you can put this on so that my pipes don't get busted. Here's your filter. And you guys don't really need to worry about this. It's drinking water refresher that we put in the tank every time we fill it up. So we'll be doing that for you. This is something we'll talk about in a second. But yeah, so your water needs are in here. Okay. And then here's everybody's favorite, not favorite. It's a favorite because when you're using it, it's awesome. But then when you got to dump it, it's kind of gross. But there it is. Dump your butt. Dump your butt. It's in here. I have a bunch of plastic gloves for you, so don't worry about that. You won't have to touch it. And there's also hand soap and hand sanitizer, but the gloves are awesome. So this is where you hook up the hose for the water. It's on the driver's side in the back. But yeah, you just hook the hose up to here and you hook it up there, and then you're good to go. Turn on the hose too. Here is the gas. Pretty simple. So now here's the other use for the storage keys. The very important dump. This is where you hook up your hose. Ah! Oh, I guess I just locked it. Awesome. This is where you're gonna hook up your hose to dump your toilet. That's been awesome to use. Okay, so black is the black tank, gray is the gray tank. I know it's kind of hard to tell. And then that's where the main hose goes. I'll do a video on all that in the future, but you want to dump your black tank first and then your gray tank last to help clean out all the poop, basically. And then you want to run a little fresh water down. It's very important that you do that to keep the pipes cleaned out and the hose. Okay. And you want to lock it back up. Go like that. This also has a cool little, if you need to hold it up, which you will when you're dumping. Okay. This is for cable when you hook up the cable at an RV park. This is where your power cord is. So if you were going to plug it into an RV park, here it is. Here's the giant cord. You can pull it out pretty far. If you're gonna plug in at a friend's driveway, we have this adapter right here for you. That's in with the hose, but we have it for you, okay? Yep, you can use that at the RV park most of the time. You use this at a friend's house or outside of your house, blah, blah, blah. And then I like you to pull the hose, the electric cord through this hole, and then shut that down on it when you can. Okay, I'm doing a horrible job shooting these videos, but it's a one girl show. It's a one girl show. Okay, this is your generator under here, but you only really need to talk to your generator on the inside. This is how we drain the fresh water tank. It's a 40-gallon tank. This is how we drain it. We usually drain it in our yard to water our grass, so we're not wasteful and stuff. And then this is how you fill up the freshwater tank, our 40-gallon tank, which hopefully you don't have to do. You might need to do it, but there are some places. Usually if you can dump at a gas station, you can fill up there too. All right. So that's the outside of your RV and all the things. And now I'm going to show you how to open up the awning.